What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel that I share my passion for food and travel. Today we are going to review a movie that I love. Unfortunately, I have to shit on Jon Favreau a little bit here because I can't stand when there's cooking scenes in a movie and it's just a poor display of skill. Alright, Jon Favreau right here is going to cook some Alio, Olio, which is pretty much garlic and oil pasta. It's midnight pasta. Scarlett Joe's so hot. Alright, clearly you can see the pasta's overcooked. Look how soft it is. It's noodle. It's like the pasta that hangs in pasta fazool for so long and just breaks up the second you gum it. It's disgusting. Look how brown that garlic is. That is going to be the most bitter tasting garlic of all time. Adds a lemon juice. Scarlett Joe's so hot. She's about to put the best acting job she's ever displayed right here. I'm like, oh my god, this bitter tasting overcooked shit pasta dish. Oh my god, so good. So hot, and that dish is so crap. And Jon Favreau, you claim to be a cook and you're in charge of this movie and you let that dish be on display, then you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Sorry, John, I love you. You tried to save Star Wars until the feminist woke shithead Kathleen Kennedy stepped in and prevented you from even doing so and fired Gina Carano because she's a cunt. Not Gina, Kathleen is. But that dish was absolutely terrible, John. Get your head out your ass. That's it, I'm done.